this is another explosive exercise. We're going to be in a sprint position. This time we're going to be using the front leg to exert power into the air to jump as high as possible and then execute a jump spinning hook kick. This exercise is key for, again, increasing the strength in your legs and also help you to jump a lot higher and faster when you're trying to do a kick normally. I'll show you slowly how the technique is that you need to do it. Especially back down into sprinting position, but instead of, we're not jumping forwards, we're jumping up in a straight line. So straight up, slowly, just boom, spin hook kick, then back down into the alternative leg, and straight up again, spin hook kick, back down, up again, spin hook kick. I'll show you how to do that at full speed now. Now I'll show you how to do that the other way. By jumping as high as possible, you're increasing the strength in your legs, and this will make your kicks a lot stronger and also make it easier to execute your kicks in a real fight. I hope you enjoyed the video.